After you got the tank like this figure, okay, with the side lights or even though the front lights doesn't matter because we swap between the side lights and the front light tank. Okay, then we will use the moving technique. Okay, up, out, down, out, up, out, out, down. Okay, now we can have the yellow cross like this. So we don't expect this yellow right here, this on this corner. Okay, not here, not here, but you will choose here or here. Okay, I will choose here. Okay, so we're gonna use the moving technique again. Up, out, down, out, up, out, out, down. Now we have the fish, the tail and the head of the fish heading down here on the left hand side here. Okay, just below. And then we notice this. If this is the yellow with this corner, means you have to use the moving technique. Okay, up, out, down, out, up, out, out, down. Now you can have the full yellow on this side. Okay, and then you have to figure out how to get this white. This should be the color and this should be the yellow. Okay, so let's see that we can do. Okay, we cannot do anything. Yes, no, we cannot because the green is here. It should be right here or right here. So we change the move. So if we cannot make the side to be the same color, so we have to see the double face like here that has the same color, only one. Okay, so we choose this first. Okay, and then we will how to do it. We have to check this and this. Is it similar or different? This is different, right? This is yellow, orange. This is red. So they are different. So we're gonna use the separation technique. But if this with this has the same color, we will use the moving technique. Now we use the separation technique because different color. Okay, like this, up, out, here, up, this, back, down, back, and down. Okay, then we have the fish figure again. Okay, and the yellow is here, same as this. So we have to use the moving technique. Up, out, down, out, up, out, out, down. Okay, now we get the full yellow. And we take a look that we can do it or not. Oh, it's perfect. So we can move like this because we expect this and this just before the step to move this or this to make the three sides of the color. Okay, let's do it by using the moving technique. Okay, again, here or here doesn't matter, but I prefer this. Okay, up, out, down, out, up, out, out, down. So we will have the fish again. Okay, same color, yellow, same. So we have to use the moving technique. Up, out, down, out, up, out, out, down. Let's see it. Okay, now we can have this side of the green, white, any color, and yellow. Okay, then we can do the next step for the last